my Pancit Bihon. It's so yummy and delicious for merenda to our family. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking in Siargao. In this video, I am going to share how I make Pancit Bihon or Pancit Noodles. And the Pancit Bihon ingredients are bihon. We have a bihon here, cabbage, carrots, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, chicken, onions, garlic, green beans, squid, shrimp, fish bowl, and crab steak, spring onions, and we have Pancit Bihon Mamacita. And of course, we need oil and soya sauce and ground black pepper. So now mga cooking ina, join with me. Let's start making our Pancit Bihon. First, let's make our wok hot. Then we're going to add our cooking oil. We put the cooking oil. So, then we're going to add our onion. Onion, mga cooking ina. We do like this. Then we're going to add our garlic, mga cooking ina. We add our garlic. Smells good, the garlic. Then we're going to add our chicken breast, mga cooking ina. We're going to add to our wok, mga cooking ina. So, then we're going to let it boil so that our chicken breast will be cooked, mga cooking ina, for like 5 minutes. We cover for like 5 minutes, mga cooking ina. So, then after 5 minutes, mga cooking ina, we check our chicken breast. And look, mga cooking ina, it look like this, our chicken breast. Then, in this mga cooking ina, we're going to add our fish ball. Our fish ball, mga cooking ina. This is very good for our recipe. Then we're going to add our squid, mga cooking ina. Look at our squid. So, then we're going to add our shrimp, mga cooking ina. Our shrimp. So, we add our shrimp. Then we mix, mga cooking ina. Then we let it boil, mga cooking ina. We let it cook our ingredient for like 3 minutes because seafoods, it's quick to cook, mga cooking ina. And now, mga cooking ina, after 3 minutes, we're going to check our shrimp and squid. Look, mga cooking ina, it smells good. Oy, oy, oy. And now, mga cooking ina, we're going to add some soya. Our Pancit Bihon is mostly seafood, so I decided to use our premium light soy sauce. It's a Japanese soy sauce, mga cooking ina. So, we just add that one. And, of course, little bit of very Filipino soya. Little bit of this, mga cooking ina. So, then, we're going to mix this, mga cooking ina. It smells very good. Then we add ground black pepper. So, This is very good to have our pika, to have in our snacks, in our merienda, mga cooking ina. With sliced bread, Pancit Bihon is very famous in the Philippines. And then they can eat this one with the rice too. Me and my kids, we want this one for our merienda. And then some, like a birthday party, they had a bihon because they said bihon is for the long life. They had a belief in that in my country, Philippines. Then, mga cooking ina, we're going to add our bell pepper, red and green bell pepper, mga cooking ina. So we do like this. Then we mix, mga cooking ina. See, our ingredient is colorful. Then we're going to add our carrots. Our carrots, mga cooking ina. Look, that one, mga cooking ina. Then, mga cooking ina, we're going to add our Pancit Bihon Mamacita. I love to use this in my Pancit Bihon recipe so that I'm not using something like sugar, you know, mga cooking ina. This one is very good. It's complete. You don't need mga cubes if you have this. So we're going to add this here. So, then we're going to mix mga cooking ina. If you notice mga cooking ina that your cooking is dry, you can add water. We will see mga cooking ina because there is water in my cooking. So we will see if I need water. So, look mga cooking ina, it's beautiful, our Pancit Bihon. Then, we're going to cover mga cooking ina. We let it boil, we let it cook our ingredient, mga cooking ina. And now mga cooking ina, I'm going to test our Pancit Bihon ingredient. Very good. This is very good. Now mga cooking ina, we're going to add our pancit noodles, our pancit bihon, like this. So, when we mix mga cooking ina, look mga cooking ina, it's beautiful, it's look pretty. Our pancit bihon, mga cooking ina. Oy, 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 look at this one, mga cooking ina. And then, mga cooking ina, we're going to add our string beans. Our string beans, mga cooking ina. So, look mga cooking ina, it's very good, our pancit bihon. It smells good, mga cooking ina. Our merenda for today, it will be good, mga cooking ina. My kids loves this very much. Of course, mga cooking ina, we need to make it special and colorful, especially if the kids will eat our cooking. We need to make it colorful so that it is appealing, mga cooking ina, when we eat our pancit bihon. So, look mga cooking ina, then we're going to add our cabbage, mga cooking ina. our repolyo. We add this mga cooking ina. So, then we mix mga cooking ina. Diba mga cooking ina? All our concern is the health of our children. So we make it sure that our children eat a proper nutrition. Diba mga cooking ina? And this one mga cooking ina, it's a lot of nutrition because I put a lot of vegetables and this is seafoods. Look at our Pancit Bihon. It's ready. Look mga cooking ina, it's beautiful and it smells good. Oy, 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 mga cooking ina. This is very good merenda for our family, mga cooking ina. Look at this one, mga cooking ina. It looks delicious. And it's not only look good, mga cooking ina. It's really, really good. Now, mga cooking ina, our Pancit Bihon is ready for plating. Now, mga cooking ina, look at our Pancit Bihon. It's plated. And we're going to garnish, mga cooking ina, with the spring onions. We just do like this so that it's look appealing, mga cooking ina, our noodles. Then, we're going to add our crab stick, mga cooking ina. This is already ready to eat, mga cooking ina, but for me, I'd like to put like this. I wash my hand, mga cooking ina, so don't worry. So, it's look beautiful, our noodles, mga cooking ina, our Pancit Bihon. So, we do like this, mga cooking ina. Look, mga cooking ina. Diba? If we serve this to our children, it's look beautiful, looks delicious, and they will eat. I like always to put garnish in my cooking so that it will look yummy. Now, mga cooking ina, our bihon is ready. Look, mga cooking ina, our Pancit Bihon. It's look pretty and very delicious, very yummy, mga cooking ina. Now, mga cooking ina, let's try our Pancit Bihon together. Join with me, mga cooking ina. I can't wait because it's very good. So, yoy yoy. Look, mga cooking ina. With squid, shrimp, and crab steaks, and vegetables. Yay, yay, mga cooking ina. Borsyo good, mga cooking ina. Oh, it's very big. Oy, oy, oy! Borsyo good, mga cooking ina. It's very good, mga cooking ina. Now, mga cooking ina, thank you very much for joining me here again in my kitchen making our Pancit Bihon, mga cooking ina. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!